Hello, amazing designers. Welcome back to this channel where we teach graphic design professionally using your mobile devices. And of course, we're using PixelLab. And if you don't have this app on your phone, please go to your Play Store and download PixelLab. PixelLab is spelled Pixellab. PixelLab. And this app is very effective, and I'm sorry if you are an iPhone user or you are an iOS user, I'm sorry you can't download this app. It is mainly for Android users. So today, this is the second course, and I want us to do something very simple. If you've not watched the first one, please go to our contents here and download the content that has the first one there. You're going to see the one that has PixelLab Introduction 1. This one is the second one, and here, because we have already introduced all the tools in the first one, in this second part now, we're going to do a simple project, very simple project. Of course, when you open your app, you're going to be seeing this dull green color, and you'll be seeing this right up at the middle. So you're going to click down, you're going to click delete. At your top left, you see this waste bin sign, that's the delete sign, and I've deleted mine. So I'm going down at my middle, down. You see where this blue color is down, that's where I'm pressing. When I press the alphabet, you can see that the alphabet has turned to blue, right? So I'm at the middle right now. It means that's where I'm pressing. Now the next thing to do is for you to click the shapes, right? You'll see a square appearing on your screen. Now you're going to click on this little arrow down here. When you click on the little arrow at the center down, you see different shapes coming out. So I would like you to click on circle. So you see that that square has turned to circle. I want you to expand, like to drag from the angle, and like this. Then click the OK or the check sign here. Now you have it, right? The next thing you're going to do is to click on copy. Down, just look at down here. You see where they write copy. Click on copy. You see, it means your circle are now 2, right? Now that they are 2, we're going to change the color of the second one. So how do we change the color? We're changing the color by just sweeping to the left, swipe to the left until you see color. Click on color, and you see this enable. It means that the color has not been activated yet. So just click on enable. Automatically you'll be having red color. So you're going to reduce it and then put it at the middle of the white. Reduce it, put it at the middle of the white, and this is beautiful, right? Now when you're done doing that, I want you to click on the background icon down here. Look at where this blue is, down, right? Look at the right corner of the blue. You see 2 squares, right? Click on the square. That means anything you do now will affect the background of your work. It's going to affect the background of your work. So click on the color shape, and then click on color. I have a disturbance here. So click on this blue, or let me go for black, right? So now my background is black. So don't forget, anything you do under these 2 squares down is going to give you the result on your background. So we're done with that. Now I want you to click on the alphabet sign. Now when you click on the alphabet sign, you will see this plus sign down. So click on the plus sign and then tap on the new text that came out. Tap on it twice. Just tap twice on it. It will give you this. So you're going to write something like graphic design brand. Graphic design brand. When you do that, click OK. So you can see how it is now. So when you do that, please click on the color, swipe to the left, go to the color, select black. Right now the text is black and the background is black, that's why you're not seeing anything. But when you drag it like this, you see the letters. Then swipe to the left like this until you see what is called curve. Click on the curve and try to play with it. See what's happening there? Look at this. Drag it, drag it, drag it, right? See what's written there. So this is just like we're trying to do something like a logo. Just like a logo. Can you see that? It's very interesting. So if this text is not nice for you, you can swipe to the left and go to fonts and then click on any font of your choice. Maybe any thick fonts, right? You can see that this font is thicker. You see? It's thicker. Now I've gotten this. The next thing to do is to click on that middle part again. And when you click there, click on the shape again. You see other shapes. Click on this middle little sign. You see other shape. Click on star. Reduce the size. Bring it to the middle. Drag it a little bit. Right? Beautiful. Click OK. Now you have your graphic design brand. Now I want to write international under. So I'm going to still click my I have two ways to add my text now. I can click on this plus sign up or this alphabet sign down. So for now, let me click my up plus sign and click on text. You can see my new text appear. I can double tap on the text and then write international. I'm clicking OK. So when I bring it down here, I'm changing the color to black as I did with the first one. I'm making it black and I'm clicking OK. I'm coming to here where I want to change my font and I make it thicker or bolder and I click OK. I'm increasing the size of my international and I'm clicking on the same curve I've clicked. So I can toggle with this, right? So you can see how it is. I'm dragging it, and I ended up having a beautiful, simple logo design. So this is a beginner logo, just for you to understand how the concept of PixelLab is. And let me do something interesting before I go out of your way. Click on this red sign here, and then click that middle part again. Swipe to the left until you see what is called stroke. Click on the stroke and enable it. Click on this enable, then swipe to the left again until you see yellow color. Check on yellow, click on yellow, and then push this thing up until you see this stroke width, right? Drag it. So it is going to increase the stroke around the circle that you have at the middle. Look at what I'm doing. If I increase it too much, you see what's happening. When I bring it back, see what's happening, right? So that's what I want to achieve. I also want to do the same thing with the white circle. So I'm clicking on the stroke again, and I'm enabling it by clicking on OK, and I'm clicking on yellow. When I click on yellow, I'm pushing these places up, and I'm increasing the size here. So it gave my work a circle around it. Thank you for tuning in, and I see you in the next video.